Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and our today's topic is spelling practice book, page number 3 to 8. So let's start our class. Just look, this is page number 3. At first, just look the use of cue box. Okay, that means we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Some are the short letters, some are tall letters, and some are called the hanging letters. If we write them in small letter, so then we can divide them into three types. Some are short letters, tall letters, and hanging letters. Just look, these are the short letters. Okay, these are the short letters. A, C, E, N, O, R, S, U, V, X, Z, I, M, W. These are called the short letters. And the tall letters are B, D, F, H, K, T, L. They are called the tall letters. And these are the hanging letters. The G, J, P, Q, Y. They are called the hanging letters. Just look here. This is a tall letter B. This is a short letter U, and this is also tall letter T. Then fly. Okay, just look at this is tall letter, and this is the hanging letter. Here all the letters are the short letters. So let's start our class. Now go to page number 4. Just look, there are spell the words and color the pictures. Okay. Students, you have to color this picture at your home. You can do that. And just look here, A for apple, and X, arm, angle, angel, and artist. So at first look at the picture. What is this? This is the picture of an apple. So we have to write it at the spelling. A double P L E, apple. A double P L E, apple. Now go to the next picture, ant. A N T, ant. This is the picture of an ant. And what is this? This is the picture of an X. A X E. This is the picture of an X. Now go to the next page. Just look here, B for ball, B for bag, beer, bee, balloon, and banana. Okay, and look at the pictures. What is the first picture? This is a balloon. So we have to write the spelling B A double L double O N. Balloon. Okay, B-A-L-L-O, and this is the picture of a balloon. Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of a ball. B-A-double-L, ball. This is the picture of a ball. And what is this? This is the picture of a bear. B-E-A R. This is the picture of a bear. Now come here. This is page number 6. C4. Now we will read the words that starts with C. C for cat, car, cup, cake, carrot, and camera. So at first look at the picture. What is this? This is the picture of a cat. C-A-T, cat. And then what is this? This is the picture of a cup. C-U-P, cup. And what is this? This is the picture of a carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. So this is the picture of a carrot. So C for cat, cup, and carrot. Now go to the next page. This is D. So D for dog, doll, duck, deer, drum, and dolphin. So at first look at the picture. What is this? This is the picture of a dog. So we have to write here dog, D-O-G, dog. Now the next picture, what is this? This is the picture of a duck, D-U-C-K, duck. And the next one, what is this? This is the picture of a doll, D-O-L-L. So this is the picture of a doll. So look, D for dog, duck and doll. Now go to the next page, E. E for ear, egg, eye, eagle, engine and elephant. So at first look at the picture. What is this? This is the picture of an eye. E-Y-E. This is the picture of an eye. And then what is this? This is the picture of an egg. E-double-G, egg. And the last one, what is this? This is the picture of an engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. This is the picture of an engine. So E for eye, egg and engine. Now students, just look, this is your SW for the Eid vacation. That's making words with M and O P. Okay, that means from M to P. This is your SW for the vacation, and you have to submit your SW on 29th May 2021. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.